Hello, cybersecurity community. Today we're diving into a crucial topic: how to make your files fully undetectable during penetration testing. We'll be using encryption techniques provided by elite tools to enhance security measures. Disclaimer: this tutorial is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Any misuse of elite crypter for illegal activities is strictly prohibited. Let's get started. Selecting the file first, we choose the file we want to work with, choosing the injection method. Then we select the appropriate technique for injecting encryption, configuring optional settings to maximize effectiveness. We'll choose the private stub for undetected results. Generating the output file once configured, our encrypted file is ready for testing. Step 2. Scanning the encrypted output file to verify undetectability. We got fully undetected results. For more in-depth tutorials and cybersecurity insights, subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram community. Find important links in the comments section. Stay safe and ethical in your cybersecurity journey.